Kubor nagashlem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka National People's Party menta kasngi kala Pynskhem ya ka block executive hapo ka 18 West Shillong Assembly constituency ha ka jinga don nang jo sembut menteri rang ba ka jela uba Preston Tinsong bat uba deiru National Vice President ke NPP uba bajop pingrop uba deu MDC ka Rambrai Jerngam constituency bat uba deiru spokesperson ke NPYF u Dr. WR Kharlukhi uba deu MP ka Raja Sabha bat kiwe Hagate kesngi layo ya kajing Pynskhem bat kajing rung kinongkit kam sya kaseng balayo ru kajing kran uba Preston Tinsong u Dr. WR Kharlukhi bat kinongkit kam kaseng uba bajop pingro puloong bakalong ka ege ka basungo kemen ka bakraw ba kaseng NPP menta ka de kaseng Marway ka bahe tam hapo ka jela Meghalaya ka badan ki MLA habaro ki jela jong ka shatay ramingi kari Uloong da kajing iet jong kipat ba unget scam ba kaseng NPP kan sayo bantau sarkar haus nam arajar arpulai.
Srimati June Warba, Nausaid. Sri Rishan Nausaid, Vice President. Sri Johns Emle. Sri Lang Lamare. Shri Arif.
Support of the people for the National People's Party. We are confident that the National People's Party will form the next government in 2023. Little bit in Hindi for my non-tribal friends. First of all, as we know, सबसे पहले मेरा non-tribal दोस्तों लोग को सबको धन्यवाद देने मांगता कि आप लोग आया ये मीटिंग के लिए हम बहुत खुश हैं कि आप लोग प्यार दिखाया नेशनल पीपल्स पार्टी के लिए नेशनल पीपल्स पार्टी आप लोग के लिए काम करेगा और आप लोग देखा कि यहाँ 18 वेस्ट शिलोंग में ड्रग्स का मेनेस बहुत है और हम यूथ लीडर का तरह गवर्नमेंट का साथ एक साथ सोसाइटी का साथ सब मिलके हम लोग काम करेगा कि ये जो ड्रग्स मेनेस है यहां से इराडिकेट करेगा और दोस्तों सब लोग मालूम है कि अगला सरकार एनपीपी सरकार होगा यहां पे मेघालय में और आप लोग मालूम कि आप लोग का सिटिंग एमएलए भी बहुत काम किया यहाँ कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी में कोविड का टाइम में बहुत काम किया वो 4 साल अपोजिशन में था लेकिन हम लोग बहुत खुश है कि अभी वो सरकार को सपोर्ट कर रहा है दोस्तों हम इतना टाइम नहीं लेगा लेकिन एक यूथ लीडर का तरफ से हम आप लोग से रिक्वेस्ट करने मांगता कि आप लोग इस बार एनपीपी को सपोर्ट कीजिए कि हम लोग 18 वेस्ट शिलोंग में चेंज लेके आएगा डेवलपमेंट लेके आएगा खाली ये थोड़ा बात थैंक यू कुबरेशपुर मिथिला धन्यवाद
And in ground reality, it is there for all us to see. Under the dynamic and able leadership of Honorable Chief Minister Shri Konrad Kesama, who is also the National President, the party has taken keen and personal interest to ensure that the deeds, not words, are his priority to take the state forward. And he, along with his cabinet colleagues, which comprises of alliances with other political parties, has put in their best of effort to address many vital issues and have initiated many development programs that have benefited the general public and youth in particular. And as such, I am pleased to be associated with this political party, that is the NPP, and I look forward to working together in days to come with everyone in the party, and I also appeal to all my party members of our bloc committee that we should leave no stone unturned and to make certain that the NPP legislature from this 18 West constituency will win the coming general election in 2023 with a huge margin and with a thumping majority.
Ba ka jing ja ka sosat. Jang ki bubuan ki yeng haki ti por ba bujur ba ka ki kan kutno namar ngadei uwei lagi balamat pelang sok dong yu para juga hagaba la siap yap yu tham dan kidau dengan Pynskhem balamba kan ni ka jing persang ba jing le jing sarkar kita borkhot ki kutno bahkan nuan biang ke roi ka ki ka jak de kan nuan biang ka sok kasan bat ba ngimar ka tin ba ka partai borok koi kan pek sing ka jela ka jing hapok jing alam jong ka sarkar boleh bailang da ka NPP kabar pipuri kot kubor pietek ya kakam bor usam ngam ko ban krenjeng en kra ta gawai namar bon ki jing tho duna ki jing ro kata kadai ke jinglong jing ki macam gitu empat sarkar nadu mung yang alang jing jela kiban not ban simye ka sinjang ka ba krabat kerbang kenang bau puru sam jing unong bayai ti bat uban yarap ro gi kum ka jela matip yo pot usam.
I do hope with God blessing that maybe this will be the second time that a party will get an absolute majority in the state, and that also with your support. The way I saw people coming to our meeting, it really, gave me the belief that maybe this time people will give an absolute majority. And I think we have tested coalition politics for so long. Why not this time give a try by giving the NPP, like what Soni has said, 6,000 plus majority victory in this constituency. Well, my dear friend, UDP is only here in Khasi Gent Hills. All of you have seen every result in the election. And last time they got around 6 or 8 seats, if I'm not mistaken. It's still a long way to go for them. If you vote for them, it is again a fragmented result in 2023. And well, the BJP, they got 2. I don't know next time how much they'll get. So I would request to you, please give us a chance this time. Well, my dear friend, like what Soni has said, there are many critics of the party who have blamed the party without any specific proof. In one of the panel discussion, while one of the members was charging us, saying that this government is corrupt, this government, I told him, I said, with due respect, I'm sorry, sir, you are a liar. Why did I say this? If you have specific proof, well, nobody can stop you to file an FIR with the police. Okay, if you don't believe the police, you go to court. You ask for CBI. But it's only hearsay. Like in Khasi, they said, "Ketin lorni," which we should not be like that. If you have proof, prove it and show the people that yes, but don't just talk. And what he said, even about the boundary issue. Everybody is talking about the boundary issue, that this government they have gone ahead without talking to the people who are doing anything. For the last 50 years, I told the people, I said, every government, they said status quo. I said, what is status quo? Status quo means Assam government keep on encroaching and Meghalaya keep on retreating. This is status quo. But at least this time we have decided as a government that we are going to settle this boundary issue once and for all. So that I even told my friends, let us decide and we'll go to the people, because there are times which we should act as politicians and think only of the government. But there are times in which we should think of our people and their suffering. You know, I will not blame. One of the party was very vocal in opposing this settlement of the border issue. One of their leaders, he's in the helm of affair. When 4 people at Langpi, innocent people, were killed by the bullet of Assam police. What did they do? Did they arrest Assam police? Nothing was done. And now they start telling that, no, NPP is, what NPP is doing is bad, but they are not doing anything. So this is a time that, like what we are thinking, at least we do this, that 50 years from now, at least we will say that in our time, we have settled the issue so that at least our people don't suffer. Those educated people, you go to the latest edition of India Today. India Today is a national magazine. It is not our magazine from the state. And you'll see about the India Today report, latest edition about the state of Meghalaya. And I think every Meghalaya reading this will feel proud about what the state had achieved within these 5 years. You read this, well, I will not prolong my speech. I do hope that I'll be coming more times this side in the election. And at the same time, yes, like what they have said, I think this is the unit, the only unit that, well, besides, I think in the Jasmine constituency, that I confirm it as a president, because since most of my time is in Delhi.
So I could not. But the beauty of tonight's gathering for all of us is, in the name of NPP, we are in this place. We are united and we are one. Almost 5 years now we completed running the government. I never expected that NPP will be able to step in your constituency. Here is the plan of Almighty, which is ultimately we are together here tonight, and also we will grow together henceforth. Now I will not name anybody here because time is running out. What I wanted to share with you here is this. I'm so proud of myself to be in this place, which is known as a cosmopolitan place or constituency. Seeing one by one, when all of you are part and parcel of the block NPP, West Shillong constituency, all representatives, irrespective of caste, creed, and religion, here we are a complete India. This is what I wanted to tell you. I express my gratefulness to see that the 18 West Shillong are seen as one, be it in the state level or be it in the national level. So here I am part of this family. Thank you so much, friends. When I go back home, I'll start learning Nepali, Hindi, Bengali, so on and so forth. Just few months back, I would like to tell you few developmental activities has happened here in your constituency. And let me tell you one scheme which is being sanctioned now is ambulance. Hopefully CM will be able to come and inaugurate and launch the ambulance which is being sanctioned now. Then we have more small schemes, be it solar light, be it electric light, and also be it the beautification of your center over there, which is called what do we call it? That point of Kerbom. In Kerbom point, we have already accorded sanction 2.5 plus crores, and this beautification will be completed at the earliest possible. So these are the issues where I would like to share with all of you that the government is showing its responsibility to the people of the 18 Shillong West constituency. We have decided also from the government side that we are going to strengthen the security services in and around this constituency. So we wanted to see that you all feel secure at any point of time. So here is the official communication where the government would like to inform all of you that the government is all out with all of you at any point of time as far as maintaining law and order and also peace in this particular constituency. I'm so happy also when our state president, Dr. Kharlukhi, has confirmed the office bearers of the block NPP here in your constituency under the leadership of Bak Deng Rapsang, whom we used fondly call him, and then Bak Soni Krian, along with the team, the youth, the women, all of you. I wish you all the best, and please work harder from tomorrow till we become victorious in the coming general election. Chief Minister Jongi, umla banyadon lang menta, tenai kabangapa ban ong yapi, the National People's Party, nadu u National President, hadu u State President, District, but hadu mo pi kablo, ngidia tray lang kumsi para, kumsi ying si sem, nakamenta kajingbit kajingbiang jong kipay ka. One more important announcement I would like to share with all of you tonight. Since last year, I think you must be aware, government has taken initiative to launch Focus 1. We call it Focus 1. And this Focus 1, when we took initiative, when we launched it, we were targeting those SHG, self-help group, women self-help group, where we used to give them 5,000 rupees per member. If they are 10 members, each SHG, they are getting the working capital, I should say, 50,000 rupees. And now we are in the stage where each and every SHG throughout the state in getting all this working capital to all of them. And recently, this year, we again taken an initiative, the second phase of Focus, which is known as Focus Plus. Focus Plus. We already launched in Kharlukhi, and some parts of this site also we launched. So for your benefits, I would like to tell you, please understand, through this blog, through this committee, if you want to meet me or you want to meet CM, please make sure to meet us. We can explain to you more details how to avail again this financial assistance. At this time, we wanted to give it individually. 5,000 rupees again to each individual household, weaker section. And we wanted to complete this mission as early as possible.